As we approach, be quiet. As we approach the dangerous Jasmine. Don't disturb it while trying to watch a movie. It may attack! Ah! It may attack. So,
Baby attack!
it's a... Oh, no. That was a wild Jasmine attack. I better watch out. She can be furious at times. Should never disturb a wild Jasmine while it's eating its peanut butter. It may get furious. Oh! It tried to attack me. Oh! Get to the chopper! And here, you will see a Sharon Perez in his natural habitat, watching Bella the Bulldog. The heck? She's in her natural habitat, watching Bella the Bulldog for some reason. It's weird, okay? So don't try and judge her. Okay?
Big surprise.
See, we disturbed her. Now she's crying. We disturbed her. See, she's getting furious now. She's getting furious. She's trying to attack. She's getting furious.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Oh my God! See, this is why you should never mess with a wild Sharon Perez. Wild Jasmine, right there. And here, we stalk the Lucy, the most evilest pet ever. Animal. It's gonna try and disturb the wild Sharon. Right there, for some reason.
Attack him, Lucy.
Oh.
You're going the wrong way, Lucy.
As you can see, she's trying to get her food from the dangerous trash can.
No,
Oh my goodness, guys. This movie right here was popular when I was a kid.
it's peanut butter.
Come here.
She's trying to get the wild.
This is the
Trying to get the food.
That's Bill Ted.
The most evilest lady that's dancing.
It's a dangerous, so dangerous.
See,
As you can see,
would you want to see her bite?
Ran into a few problems.
it's
Now
a
I have to
wild
travel back in
Lucy.
time to help them out.
We're gonna see if we can try and get up closer.
Keep us on the correct path.
Be
The
quiet.
basis of our society will be endangered. Don't worry, it'll all make sense. I'm a professional.
I'm Bill S. Preston, Esquire, and I take it.
This is this is the first document, but there will be soon later. Goodbye.